This video explains how to create a meet in Trackmeet.io. You must do this in order to get your result upload credentials and scoreboard settings for your meet. First, you'll need to log in or register. In order to do that, click on the account menu item, click log in or register. In this case, I'll go ahead and log in. You can log in with your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account, or you can use an email and password, which I'm going to do right here. Once you log in, go back to that account menu item and click Go to Admin. And here you'll see a button that says Create New Meet. Go ahead and click that and begin typing in meet information. In this case, we'll just use some test credentials. The meet name is the full name of the meet, so we'll just say Test Meet for Video. The abbreviated meet name is a short name for the meet. It's only allowed 20 characters. This is to ensure that anyone on a mobile device can see your meet name on one line. We'll just say Test Meet. Is the meet indoors or outdoors? Choose the start date of the meet and start time of the meet. In this case, we'll just say 10 a.m. You can change the minutes and change it to a.m. and p.m. if you need to. If this is a multi-day event, click on that box and change the end date. In this case, we'll just leave it as a single day meet. Choose your time zone. In this case, we'll use Eastern time, but any time zone is available. Publish this meet. If you'd like to actually publish this and put this on the front page and start putting results and entries into the meet, click on that. The location field, start typing in the name of the place that the meet is going to be. In this case, and you'll see that it does update automatically. It'll provide autocomplete suggestions. And then if you have a meet credit, such as a standard or professional meet, you can select that. In this case, we'll go ahead and select professional meet, as that provides us not only with result and entry uploads, but with a scoreboard as well. So click submit and configure meet. And then we'll go to the second step, which is to set up all the different settings that you're going to need to use for the meet. In this case, the details heading, and each section of this page will have a blue background with white text to let you know that it indicates something different. In this case, the details is everything that we just filled out, but there's a few more down here. Our meet credits. If we had not already selected a credit, we could have selected it here. In this case, this is just letting us know this is a professional meet. Now for the core of Trackmeet.io, requires results, entries, and heat sheets to be uploaded from your meet management system. So go ahead and select that management system here. When you do that and save this page, your credentials for FTP uploads will automatically be created. And the same goes for your track scoreboard. So depending on the scoreboard system you're using, click on that. Go ahead and if there are any divisions in the meet, specifically, perhaps you have varsity and JV in the same meet, or you might have 1A, 2A, or AAA and quadruple A, you'll want to add those into the meet, since Trackmeet.io can't necessarily know if an event has a division based on the FTP upload. So in this case, let's just say we have varsity and JV. We'll add those in. And that's all you need to do for divisions. Make sure you enter your timer information. This information will appear at the bottom of every single page on Trackmeet.io for your particular meet. Result questions. Where would you like questions about results to go? This could be to you, or it could be to the meet director. In this case, we'll just go ahead and leave it blank. The scoring tab. Trackmeet.io will automatically generate scores once they've been uploaded. So go ahead and check this if you want scores to be updated. It's important here that if you want scores to be combined by, or if you want scores to be separated by gender and or by division, you'll need to check these boxes. So if you're doing boys and girls scores, click on gender. If you're doing boys 1A, girls 1A, boys 2A, girls 2A, make sure you check scores by division as well. The updates tab. If you'd like to have the home page display and update every single time a new or existing result is uploaded, check that. And then this would be if an existing result is uploaded, to check this box. Put in a social media hashtag for your meet. So if you're going to do Twitter templates or any of the pre-baked social media that we have on the site, this hashtag will just get added to all of that. And finally, showing raw results. So if for any reason you'd like to show the actual raw results uploaded from HiTech, this could be useful if you want a third party to get those results quickly and be able to put them on their site. Go ahead and check this box. In this case, we'll go ahead and leave it unchecked. And go ahead and click Save Meet. And what we see here is that because we selected Finish Links and HiTech, we have the credentials for both of those. So if you were to click on this link, it would explain what to do with these credentials to get Finish Links working, and the same here for HiTech. And that's how you create a meet in Trackmeet.io.